Viewers, let's get you the latest update that we have from Telangana, where a protest by the Congress unit against the union government took a rather controversial turn. What was meant to be a demonstration outside the Enforcement Directorate office quickly spiraled into a display of verbal abuse. Yes, you heard that right. Congress working president and former MP Anjan Kumar was caught on camera using foul language directed at Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy. The protest staged by Congress against the centre has now sparked outrage over the use of such indecent and inflammatory remarks by a very senior leader of the party.
कल बोल रहा किशन रेड्डी, अरे क्या बोल के बोल रहा तू? कांग्रेस वालों शर्म ఉందా धरना చేస్తున్నారు? अरे कांग्रेसी में है बोल के तो आजादी लाए, देश के लिए कुर्बानियां किए, देश की अखंडता के लिए काम करे। प्रिय नेता राहुल गांधी कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक 4000 किलोमीटर पानी धूप आए तो भी फिर पद यात्रा करे।
The Bharatiya Janata Party has launched a scathing attack on the Congress party, demanding strictest possible action against the party leader for his controversial remarks. Calling out the Congress for what it described as stooping to a new low, the BJP has said that such language reflects the party's growing frustration. Taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi, the BJP also said the so-called Mohabbat Ki Dukaan now stands exposed as hate and abuse seem to dominate the Congress's political discourse. The BJP further alleged that these remarks are nothing but a desperate bid to divert the attention from the failures of the Revanth Reddy-led government in Telangana.
तो ये है राहुल गांधी की मोहब्बत की दुकान। तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस के वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट वैसे क्या वर्किंग कर रहे हैं वो तो भगवान जाने, परंतु वो किस प्रकार से खुले मंच से सार्वजनिक रूप से यूनियन मिनिस्टर जी किशन रेड्डी जी को गालियां दे रहे, भद्दी गालियां दे रहे, इसलिए क्योंकि उनके विफलताओं को एक्सपोज करने का काम वहां पर जी किशन रेड्डी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर रही है। कभी स्टूडेंट्स को गाली, उनकी पिटाई, जब फॉरेस्ट लैंड को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं और आवाज उठाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, कभी मीडिया और पत्रकारों को गाली। राहुल गांधी जी, यही है मोहब्बत की दुकान? किधर है मोहब्बत के सेल्समैन राहुल गांधी जी?
Well, this is not the first time, as there have been multiple reported instances where Congress leaders have allegedly abused or physically confronted BJP netas. In December 2024, BJP MPs accused Congress leader Rahul Gandhi of physically pushing BJP MP Pratap Sarangi, causing Sarangi to fall and sustain injuries. Remember that moment from the parliament? Rahul Gandhi claimed he was being blocked and threatened by BJP MPs when the incident took place. And then in 2025, BJP's Bihar wing filed a police complaint against Congress Neta Kanhaiya Kumar for allegedly using abusive language against the Prime Minister and the RSS during a TV interview. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2023 publicly stated that Congress leaders had heard abuses at him 91 times, including derogatory remarks from Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, who reportedly likened Modi to a venomous snake. Now, these examples illustrate a pattern of verbal abuses, physical confrontations and alleged allegations of misconduct, against the BJP netas by Congress party in the recent past. And Shomit, my colleague, is joining us live right now for more on this. Shomit, we are seeing, a political war of words on what Anjan Kumar Yadav of the Congress party had to say about Mr. G. Kishan Reddy. He is facing backlash, but any word from the Congress netas on, the kind of language he used? Is the Congress party okay with his behavior?
Well, see, Congress party yet to respond on this matter, but, yesterday, TPCC has given this call while they were staging a protest at ED office, and, one of the top leaders, we can say, he's the working president of Congress party, and he has given this, he has made this derogatory comments, remarks against, and even used abusive foul language against Kishan Reddy, and actually he was countering Kishan Reddy. So his comments made day before yesterday, and he has considered it as a bad state government when it comes to several issues, including Kancha Gachibowli land issue. And yesterday, while countering Kishan Reddy's comments, he has made these abusive, remarks against Kishan Reddy. And Congress yet to respond on this matter, and we have even tried to speak to the Congress leaders. They are saying that party will look into this, and they will be taking the decision is what the Congress leaders are saying. But officially, they are yet to respond on this matter.
All right, so we are yet to see an official reaction coming in from other Congress netas on what Anjan Kumar Yadav had to say for Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy. Soumit, for now, thank you for joining us with your inputs on this story.